Decisive Dividend Corporation, it's an acquisition-oriented company. We look to acquire manufacturing businesses. We look to support their growth, to enhance their kind of operational performance, and then we hold those businesses for the long term. We own 7 manufacturing businesses across Canada and one in the UK as well. The key to us earning a spot on the Venture 50 list was really around our execution on our growth and yield strategy. We acquire businesses, enhance performance of the businesses we own. That was something we had a lot of success around in 2022. This macro trend that's facing a lot of our society in terms of aging demographic. The number of businesses that are going to be for sale, the appeal of our business model to certain types of investors that we call exiting legacy-minded business owners, is going to be a tremendous support our growth into the future. In addition, we are able to increase our dividend, which is the yield piece of the story. The third element that supported our growth in 2022, but also future growth, is this bolstering of our support from the capital providers we have in the business. Our lender, CWB, increased our borrowing capacity with them to help fund future acquisitions. And we also introduced a new equity investor, a group called Warta Capital Advisors, who's an investor with a tremendous performance track record. Both of those elements really help support our growth into 2023 as well.